Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to bring my computer or this computer icon on the screen. So this is the newly bought laptop. So after installing the OS, there is no icon in the desktop except recycle bin and Microsoft Edge. So now uh, many of them don't know how to bring my computer or this computer icon on the desktop screen. So now we are going to see how to store that icon on the screen. So now click on the right click on the desktop empty space, go to personalize here, then drop down. Here you can able to see the themes. No, you please click on the themes, scroll down. Here you can see desktop icon settings. Click on this. Desktop icon settings will come here. Here you can check. Here you can check whatever you want. Whether if you want to my computer icon to be displayed on the desktop, then you can please click on this. Control, if you want control panel and network, user file, everything you want means you please click tick mark on every box and then you apply, then OK, close the screen. Yes, now you can see everything that is this PC and network and control panel icon, everything will be come on the desktop screen. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe it, share it and like it. Thank you friends.